To get the most out of your Honeywell Warm Mist Humidifier, follow these helpful steps. To fill the tank, use the handle to lift from the base. Then, remove the cap by turning it counterclockwise. Fill the tank with cool water, secure the cap, and place it back on the base. Make sure your humidifier is off before plugging it in, and turn the power knob to either the high or low setting. A green light around the power knob will light up. After 1 to 2 minutes, your humidifier will begin to produce a visible mist. When the tank is out of water, the humidifier will automatically turn off, and the reset light will illuminate to indicate to refill the tank. To reset, turn the humidifier off and wait 15 minutes to allow the heating element to cool. Then, refill the water tank and replace the tank back on the base. To use with medicated inhalant, add a tablespoon of the inhalant to the medicine cup. Do not add inhalant directly to the water. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.